Hello class, this is Kimberly Bosley, the instructional designer for Vista College. Many of you may know me as the professional strategies instructor. In my role as instructional designer, I am responsible for the learning resources in each course, which brings me to the purpose of this message. I understand that many of you are having technical difficulties with the WebAssign assignments. Before I get into the details, let me start by saying I apologize for all of the technical issues. I know that during this time that can be very frustrating. To put it short and sweet, the issues are programming issues on the publisher side of the house. The publisher's engineers are working diligently to try to resolve the issues. In the meantime, your instructors have sent out assignments each week via email. So that's our workaround for this time. In the meantime, I want you to do a few things for me. Number one, remember why you enrolled in school. This class is a step towards your degree, so don't give up. Shake off the frustration. Step away a minute and breathe and focus. Number three, be a finisher. Do each assignment and finish well. I hope this video encourages you, and just to let you know that we are thinking about you. We are trying to resolve the issues with the WebAssign assignments. In the meantime, you do have work to do. You can get that done. Just make sure you do each and every assignment and turn it in on time. And stay encouraged. Don't give up, okay? Just a message from me to encourage you.